Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. Well, extra money could be headed over to your bank account. Good news for all the Virginia residents. All the eligible Virginians will start receiving a tax rebates in the upcoming days. We have got up to $500 in the form of tax rebates to eligible Virginian residents. When will you receive your tax rebate in the Virginia? We have got all the details from Virginia Tax Commission, and is it a direct deposit or a paper check? How the payments are coming in the Virginia tax rebate? Also, can you get a rebate if you still haven't filed yet? Also, how can you check your Virginia tax rebate status? We have got these details from Virginia Tax Government official website. Also, 4 things you must know for the Virginia tax rebate. So guys, today in this video we have got all the details on Virginia tax rebate, all the details when you are receiving them, how much can you expect, and all the details. So before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel with the bell notification turn on so you will never miss our latest stimulus update and tax rebate and all the details of such kind. Do check out our other videos, and with that being said, let's get right into the video. Now, around 3.2 million people in Virginia could get this one-time tax rebate, and according to the latest update that we are receiving on September 16th, as per the news reports, one could say the struggle is real as people deal with the higher gas prices and the impact of this inflation, rising high inflation. But many Virginian residents are about to get a little extra cash this fall, and around 3.2 million people in Virginia are eligible to get this one-time tax rebate, and this tax rebates is going up to $250 for those people filed individually, and for married couples who are filing jointly, they can get tax rebates up to $500. And yes, this tax rebate was included in the state's budget that Virginia lawmakers have passed, and Governor Glenn Youngkin signed a bill earlier this year. And here are the 4 things you should know about what's coming in your bank account. So the expected date for this rebate is very soon. It's by late October, but actually it could be much sooner than that. As per the reports, the Virginia Department of Taxation will process this rebates first in first out basis, so make sure you file your tax returns as soon as possible. And people who have filed their tax returns by July 1st, well, they should expect their rebate in the late October according to the Governor Youngkin's office. And for those people who file between the July 1st and November 1st, well, they will get their rebate within a 4 months of their filing date. And with that being said, department is doing a test run on Friday and Saturday, and well, if everything goes according to the plan, if everything goes well, these rebates could come very soon. And speaking of this rebates, how this rebates will come, this rebate will come by either direct deposit or paper check in the mail. For the people who got their state tax refund by a direct deposit this year, it will be likely they will get this rebate by direct deposit through the same bank account. And for everyone else who got their rebate by paper check in the mail, they should receive the paper checks very soon. And speaking of this rebate, could they be used to satisfy the tax debt? Now, if someone owes money to the Virginia Department of Taxation or another state or local agency, then the state's government will use the rebate to pay that debt before sending out the remainder of this rebate. So definitely this rebate could be used to satisfy your tax debt. And if someone owes more than the amount of the rebate, the department will send a letter explaining that the use of this rebate is going towards the debt on your account. Now you can check the online to see whether you are eligible or not. Starting September 19th, you can visit the tax.virginia.gov/rebate to check the eligibility for the rebate online. And here onto tax.virginia.gov/rebate, we have actually got a couple of details regarding eligibility. So speaking whether you are eligible or not, well, not every taxpayer is eligible. Well, if you had a tax liability last year, then you will receive up to $250 if you have filed individually, and you can get up to $500 if you have filed jointly. Tax liability means the amount of the tax you owe throughout the year minus any of the credits like taxes you paid to another state or the credit for low income individuals. Also, it can be deductions, any subtractions. Right now they are unable to provide taxpayer specific information about eligibility, but there it is. And as per the latest details, they are issuing these rebates in the order that taxpayers have filed their returns. So if you are eligible and you have filed your tax return by July 1st, they will send you your rebate by October 17th, which means you should receive it by October 31st. So there it is guys, this is the expected date. You should expect your payment by October 31st, 2022. And you must file your taxes by November 1st in order to be eligible to receive the rebate. And according to the latest details, state anticipates issuing about 150,000 rebates by direct deposit and 100,000 rebates by paper checks. And the commission expect to issue approximately 2.9 million rebates by October 10 from October 11 to the end of this calendar year. They are planning to issue these rebates weekly. And if you are getting direct deposit, then you'll get this label for the rebate called VATX rebate for your Virginia tax rebate. Speaking of, if you still haven't yet filed, can you get a rebate? And according to the Virginia tax website, taxpayers can still receive this rebate as long as they file their taxes by November 1st, 2022. Taxpayer who does not file their taxes, well, they cannot receive this rebate. And you can check your rebate status onto the portal Virginia's tax website. And with that being said, Virginians could expect tax refunds very soon. I hope you found this video helpful, so make sure to hit that like button guys, that helps us a lot. Do check out our channel for other videos on tax refunds, stimulus updates and all that stuff. Make sure to subscribe to our channel with bell notification turn on so you will never miss our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. And guys, with that being said, this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.